Today, I'm going to teach you how to return a gift from Amazon. Whether it's the wrong size, not quite what you wanted, or simply needs to be exchanged, Amazon makes the return process straightforward even for gifts. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly, as you'll need access to your account features to process the return. Now that you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the Amazon homepage. You're looking for a section that says Returns and Replacements. This is your gateway to managing any items you need to send back, including gifts. Once you spot it, click on it to proceed. After clicking on Returns and Replacements, you'll be taken to a page with various return options. Here, you need to navigate specifically to the Gift Returns section. This is important because returning a gift follows a slightly different process than returning a regular purchase, especially if someone else ordered it for you. Next, you'll need to enter the order number. This is a crucial step as it helps Amazon identify exactly which item you're trying to return. If you're unsure where to find your order number, don't worry. Simply hover your mouse over the text that says, "How do I find this?" When you do this, you'll see an interface pop up showing you exactly where the order number is located. This could be on the gift receipt, in an email notification, or within your order history. Once you've located and entered your order number, click on Search. This will pull up the specific order details and allow Amazon to process your return request. From this point forward, Amazon will guide you through the remaining steps. You'll be presented with a series of instructions tailored to your specific return. This typically includes selecting a reason for the return, choosing whether you want a refund or replacement, and selecting your preferred return method. Follow each instruction carefully to ensure your return is processed smoothly and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a gift return on Amazon. The process is designed to be user-friendly even when dealing with items purchased by someone else. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.